Pin the tail on the donkey is really kind of cute. There's a piano piece that is the donkey, and I think both of them have this bum 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 bum. It's really awesome. So way to go, Janice. I like this. It's cute. So we're dealing with the 6/8, and check out. We have an eighth note to start us off. We are stealing the beat from the end and sticking it up to the front. So in that 6/8, we're starting 6 wa da. 3, 4, 5, 6, da, da, 6, da, 3, 4, 5, 6, da, da, 6, da, 3, da, 6, da, da, da. So we're going with that. And so as we go on, so good, so good, so good, we're doing 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And so that's what we have to really get in there, of having these really light notes of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. And that's what we're looking for. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so we're going to take it nice and slow at the beginning so that we can really count that out. If you would like, it's a really good idea to write in the counting for the end of that second line that we are going to, I would write in right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you really know how to internalize that. And then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where that sixth beat is. You should always analyze your music so that you know exactly where your beats are, so you can really feel where they go. All right, so we're going to do this at 120 as the eighth note first. 6, da, ba, 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 da, nice and slowly so that we can count everything out, and then we'll speed it up. Let's do it 2 more times after that. We won't do the repeat. You can always hit loop on here. So beginning at 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, low 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1. And so that's where that would be. All right, now let's make it faster, that the eighth note will be faster. Now this is at 155. Bum, 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 bum. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now let's switch it over to our complex duple, and we're gonna back it up. Let's do it at 60 because that's where she recommends it to be on the lower side, and I usually flip it back to 55 or so. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Use your metronome to slowly get you up there. All right, so I'm going to subdivide. Let's do it twice. I'm going to not run out of breath as I count all of this for you so that you learn how to subdivide. I'm going to be that nagging voice in the back of your head that's making you subdivide that entire time. So hopefully it creeps into your brain and you're able to subdivide and do everything else at once. So it takes a lot of practice. So, all right, beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.